LKG.
Right. Today I will share a. Okay. This poem. Today I will recite an English poem. चलो सुनाओ पोएम सुनाओ. हाँ. कौन सा पोएम है? हाँ सुनाओ.
Cat said meow meow, dog said bow wow, monkey said books, donkey played high and low, and the gold bricks.
Next one. One more poem.
Chapter 6.
हाँ चलो.
Chapter 6. Dimple Jin, Roti lift, teeth dead, curly hair, eyes are lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes.
Well done. Well done. Clap for.
My name is Arohi Singh. Today I am going to share a beautiful topic, and the topic name is the pollution. There are many types of pollution. All this pollution affects our daily life. Moreover, the factory affects the quality of life we are living. People who live in the city are more affected by air pollution. Pollutants like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide pollute the air. People who live in the village suffer from air pollution, water pollution. A problem for them we like herbicide, domestic waste, insects make the water polluted. The water pollution rose the quality of agriculture. Pollution affects our health very much. Inhaling polluted air for a long time can cause lung disease. There are other pollution like mass pollution, plastic pollution, solid waste pollution. Thank you.
Well done.
Everyone, my name is Satyam Kusar from class 2nd. Today I am going to deliver a story, and the story name is The Greedy Dog. Once there was a dog carrying a piece of meat in his mouth. He was passing through a jungle. He was crossing a bridge. Suddenly, he saw his own shadow in the river water. After a while, he thought that another dog is carrying a piece of meat. He tried to snatch that meat also. He barked and the piece of meat fell into the river. Moral of the story is, greed leads to all evils. Thank you.
Well done.